Welcome to Tacketts House of Horsepower. It's me, Steve Tackett.
And Sarah.
And Sarah. And you might notice it looks a little different. Because this will be the new location of Tacketts House of Horsepower. Somewhere in this area, possibly, there's going to be, just picture a giant Walmart-sized shop going in behind me somewhere. Over there. Or possibly over there?
I say over there. Over there.
She says over there. I want it closest to the house. She wants it I think she's trying to get rid of me. She's trying to get rid of me.
No, I'm planning ahead because I know you're going to go, I have this giant shop. And then in like a year or two, you're going to be like, babe,
she's trying to get rid of me.
need another shop. And so I'm trying to plan ahead so that we have plenty of room to expand.
Okay, maybe we'll put the shop out there.
And you start close, and then you continue.
I'll just live in an outhouse over there. Is that fine? She's going to stay in the house. I'll live in the outhouse over here.
You're getting a giant shop.
See, this is what I'm dealing with.
Why are you whining? You get a giant shop.
So, I guess we should let you all know that this is our new house. This is our acreage. You believe that? Check it out. That's our neighbors. But sorry for this short video. We have been in the process of moving across the country.
We got the big one. Steve just did the windshield wipers and a giant fluff of dust flew off. So I don't think it's been rented in a while. And it's also Arizona, so it's super dusty. In the process.
I think I've slept about 4 hours
in the last month.
Yeah. It's been pretty bad. It's difficult to move this much junk this far. Is not easy.
Well, and we also massively downsized the house, which we're excited about, and we increased the acreage and yard. So we're very excited and
we
grateful.
traded a couple bedrooms for a couple acres. So it's a fair trade.
Yeah,
it's a
decent
fair trade.
So
I did not do any wrenching this week. Obviously, I was living in a U-Haul.
We did a lot of moving.
You ever try to sleep in a cab of a U-Haul?
With two people? It's very interesting.
U-Haul, why is your seats a 90-degree angle? It's a 90-degree, and you can't recline it.
And the headrest.
It pushes you forward.
Yeah.
U-Haul, fix your seats. Seriously. You can't pull over and sleep in it, okay?
It's been an adventure.
Anyways, I want to say thanks to all of you, really. But thank you to our friends that helped us load and move this week. Without them, we would not have got this far. Seriously, they are seriously. Anthony, Tony, Germo, appreciate you guys. Anyway, there's no wrenching going on because the shop's not here.
Not yet.
So we sold our house in Phoenix, or we are trying to sell our house in Phoenix, and once that happens, we will take that and build a shop out here somewhere. Mm-hmm. So until then, it's going to be difficult for me to build cars in the yard. So
I'm sure you'll find a way.
We'll do some content every week to try to keep the algorithm happy. So please bear with us. Please hit like, hit subscribe, hit comment, ask us how we're doing. Mm-hmm. I will respond to you like normal.
Yes. And we'll keep you all updated, and feel free to post all your questions that you have down below, and what we'll do is we'll take the time to answer all your guys' questions.
I don't want the channel to drop off because you have to post every week. You know, you have to keep the algorithm gods happy.
But we also want to keep you guys entertained and updated on everything that's going on. Right. So let us know what questions you have for us, and we'll do our best to get all those answered while we're in the process of going back and forth across the country a few more times.
Yeah, we got a couple more trips to do. So it's bear with us. We're doing our best, but think of the future. Think of the future. Mm-hmm. Picture a giant shop with lifts. Mm-hmm.
Wait, one lift?
Lifts.
Okay.
Lifts.
Okay. We're still in negotiations, and
I'm doing my best.
And I need a home gym because we're kind of out in the middle of nowhere.
Home gym.
So, yes.
Anyways, that's what's going on. Thank you for bearing with us. Please hit like, hit comment, subscribe. Hit that bell so you know when we do post. But we're gonna do our best to keep you guys up to snuff and keep the channel going. We don't want to stop. In fact, we're going to greatly expand.
That's the plan.
That's the plan. But it's going to take a little bit. It's going to take a little bit. And I start my new job on Monday, and I'm a little bit nervous about that.
You'll be fine.
I don't change jobs very often. So I hate being the new guy.
He doesn't change a lot of things often. So this is a lot of change all at once.
I had like a mental breakdown this week.
So usually it's a slower pace adjustment, and this is all kind of at once, and he's like, okay, I need time to process.
I don't like it.
So
once it all settles down, I'll be okay. But anyways, that's it from us. And you want to say anything?
We'll see you next time. Hopefully next week.
Thank you. See you next time.
Bye. Hi, little one. I didn't bring any doggy treats, I'm sorry. Come here. It's okay. I knew I should have packed some treats. See, that's what happens when I don't go with my gut instincts.